Hello and welcome everybody to PropBetEdge.ai. This is our MLB edition coming soon. We will have NFL, NBA, NHL, and further down the line, we will have soccer and UFC. So stay tuned. We've got a lot more coming in the future, but where we're starting is MLB, PropBetEdge. MLB is a great place to start. There's tons of data points historically and being tracked in real life, which with the algorithm is huge because the algorithm is fed off data, and the data is what helps us make better decisions when we're going to place a pick. Um, the one thing I want to kind of go over real quick is where we all start off the HR targets. This is the algorithm picking targets as you'll see here, early bird. Early bird just simply means that's an algorithm pick at 7 a.m. Eastern, and the algorithm is trained to know that that pick might change. Updates all the time. And a great example of that is the algorithm picked Ryan Jeffers this morning of the Twins, and he got scratched. He has an injury. He'll be out for a week. So that is no longer on here. So if you looked at 7 a.m. and then you look now, you're not going to see that because the algorithm is updating those injuries and updating its picks based on that. So it once the game starts, though, of course, the picks stay. They aren't going to update after that. It's just once a lineup is confirmed. So just want to make that clear. Another thing too, what tools do I like? I mean, yeah, the algorithm's cool. That's compounding. It's learning. It's going to get better. Very cool data point. But what I like to do personally is I like to use this matchup analyzer, and I know a lot of the guys on the team agree with me on this. One of our better tools. It is using the algorithm, but it's using all these data points to make great edge decisions. For example, we've got Michael Harris here, 78 edge. There's a lot of data points here that the algorithm likes. What it doesn't like, and why it's a 78, not a 90, is it's been slumping. Harris is slumping 160 average over the last 7 games, and that is going to impact. It likes all the other data, doesn't like the last 7 game data. So it's 78 edge versus like a 90 or something better. Now, Xavier Edwards here, he's trending up. The data points, the park factors, the pitcher, all the data points that the algorithm is picking up on, including the fact that he's been trending upwards, gives him a strong 90 factor. Same with Otto Lopez here. He's been trending up over the last 7 games, and it likes the overlap on the zone here with the starting pitcher locations. Now, this could change because if the pitcher changes or the lineups change and he's batting ninth all of a sudden, probably won't happen. But if it did, the algorithm will catch that. It's updating consistently and looking for those things that need to be fixed. For example, if Edwards gets scratched like Jeffers did for an injury, the algorithm will update that. Or when it gets the confirmed lineups, it will update that too and look for any different edges. If all of a sudden we've got Lopez batting first, that might change the variable a little bit because he has, I guess second, first, maybe not a huge difference. But if he was batting seventh, eighth, and he went up to second, that's going to give him more at bat opportunities, which is going to give him more opportunities to make a play. And that's going to favor him slightly. So these are things that I truly enjoy about what we've built here. Again, this hasn't been a one-man project. This has been a team community effort, and we appreciate all your feedback. I'll continue to roll out more information and videos as we're building this out and continuing to create the best platform for sports analytics uh, ever built. And that's the goal. But again, it's not done without you guys. You guys are truly appreciated. Any feedback's always welcome. And I'll get some more stuff out soon. Thanks, guys.